Hi, this is Miss Williamson. I've created this video for help with course navigation through English 1. Let's begin. Alright, so this is the course home page. On the left-hand side, you can see my picture, my name, and my contact information. Please save my phone number as a reference. The preferred method is text. In the center is the yellow box. I update this pace chart weekly. As you can see, all assignments are due on Friday at 8 p.m. I separated out standard from honors, segment 1 from segment 2. If you want to see the semester-long pace chart, you just go up here on the right-hand side and you download that. I'm going to pull up standard for an example. As you can see, it's about 1 to 2 assignments per week in this course, so it should be fairly easy. If not, if there's any reason at all that you're not able to complete an assignment, here's what you need to do. So for example, in week 5, you're supposed to submit 106. If you're not able to submit that assignment in week 5, you will have to work ahead. That means 106 is now going to be due in week 4. In addition to that, you have to send me a text to let me know what's going on, but that's totally fine. You can work ahead. So again, 106 would be due in week 4. Otherwise, just follow the pace chart. All right, so back on the course homepage. Okay, so here is where you find the resources. This is going to be helpful throughout the year to find any references that you may need for support. Below that is the English department calendar. So I share this calendar with the other English teachers. As the semester continues, you will see teachers add on their live lessons to this calendar. If you find a schedule that fits your needs, or if you find interesting and you want to attend, this is what you're going to do. So give an example would be, say Miss Irvin is teaching a live lesson on the 19th, and you would like to attend. You'll see her name in her classroom right here under the 19th. For directions, you would go here. This downloads the directions. What's important to know is that if you want to attend Miss Irvin's classroom on the 19th, you would click on her link. If you go here, you're going to be in my classroom for Williamson. And if I'm not teaching on the 19th, you'll be in the wrong room. So it's important to always use this as your link. Okay, and right here is where you can schedule an appointment. Most of my students will text me the day before they need a DBA so that we can work out a time, and that's totally fine as well. I would like to show you now how to get into the lessons. If you go up to the top to the black toolbar, you pull up the main menu, and you go to Lessons. I'm going to pull up Graphic Organizer for 202. I know it's ahead, but I typically get a lot of questions about how do I download a graphic organizer. So let me just show you here. See, I'm clicking through. You see it says slide 3 of 5. Okay, and I can see that you have to complete the graphic organizer. Right here, the worksheet is the same thing as a graphic organizer. You see how it's a different color? That tells me it's a hyperlink. I'm going to go ahead and open that. You have the option to print or save, and you want to hit save. You might get a pop-up, says allow it, and that's normal as well. And there it is. Okay, so if you get that pop-up, that's what you do. Now I'm going to open up this one, and so now you're able to type that because it went into a Word document. Okay, and that's going to save you a lot of time. So you should be typing directly onto the graphic organizer. All right, the next thing I want to show you is when you come across a quiz. So the next lesson is actually a quiz. Let me go to Lessons, and I'm going to pull up 203. Okay. Let me go here. So when you go to the quiz, you read through and you take your notes. And when you get to that last slide, see where it says 7 of 7, it says now you go and you take a quiz. So you again go back up to that main menu. You go to assessments and assignments, and that's where you're going to find the quiz. So I'd like to give you guys an example of a quiz that's going to come up in English 1 that typically kids might get points deducted on. All right, so let's look at this. It's asking you to read parts of Dr. King's The Letters of Birmingham Jail. And this is going to come up again in Module 2, so it's not right now. I just want to give you guys an example. So in the directions, it says, in 3 to 5 complete sentences, I need you to explain It also says I need you to list at least 2 examples from the text. So it's really important if it asks for a certain length, like 3 to 5, that you are giving exactly just that you are writing complete sentences, that you're checking for grammatical and spelling errors. You have to remember that this is an English course, and I will dock off points if you are not proofreading your work. The second part is that you have examples from the text. This is saying they want direct text evidence. I think this is a good time to note that here in Seminole County Virtual School, we use Turnitin.com, and if there is ever a time of academic integrity concern, I will be alerted, in which case I will alert you and your family so that you are now aware if we have an academic integrity concern. So before it even gets that far, obviously I want you to reach out and talk to me. Let me know if you need extra support, if you need my help, whatever I can do to support you before you make that choice. So just know that we will use Turnitin.com. If I see anything that alerts me or that I alert FLVS, I'm going to go ahead and reach out to you and the family and just tell you guys what I see, and we'll go from there. But before that happens, I obviously want you to reach out and talk to me, because that is why I am here. I want to help, okay? All right, so that's everything with academic integrity. That is how you get to the quizzes, and that is how you're going to be graded. So you can see up here that it talks about 10 points in this particular one. Let me go back to the course home page, and we'll give a recap. All right, so again, this is my name, this is my phone number. Please save my number. The preferred method is text. This is your PACE chart. All of your work is always due on Friday at 8 p.m. This is the PACE charts if you want to look for the whole semester. Over here is where you can schedule an appointment. However, you can just text me the day before and we'll work out a time to talk. And if you have any questions, you got to let me know. Otherwise, send me a text. Let me know that you have watched this course navigation video, and I'll send you the password to begin. Thanks so much. I look forward to working with you.